Hey, it's cool, relax, don't worry, it's just the Hub, where we show you the most interesting and funny videos floating around the internet. Stay tuned to see what the heck is going on with these mattresses. 3, 2, 1, go! What's better than watching world champion jump ropers do their thing? How about watching it in super slow motion? This is Nick and Kaylee, over 20 world jump roping championships between the two of them, and this is their tricks in slow-mo. Navajo Beach on a Greek island was the site of this cliff jumping afternoon. Would you guys ever do this? I mean, it's beautiful, but I don't know. You could jump off cliffs in Greece or jump off of abandoned buildings in Russia. On your bike, no less. The folks over at Tangram have invented a new jump rope that has LED lights inside of it. These lights aren't only for show, but they can actually be used to display numbers that count how many jumps you've done. This is the record for most jumps in 30 seconds with a 10-meter long jump rope. He got to 21. This is the world record for most ropes ever jumped, 110. This is Geronimo. He is a double Dutch dog. Dang, dude. No, this is not some sort of cult initiation. Allow me to explain. Aaron's Incorporated, a major company in the United States, attempted to set the world record for most human dominoes ever toppled, and they did it with 1,200. So, good for them, I guess? Gonna send some love to Brunner and Adwait for leaving us comments. Leave a comment below and I'll put my favorite ones in our next video. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you again very, very soon right back here on The Hub. Bye-bye.